Furrion Elysium. Furrion Elysium is a concept RV inspired by technologies. Measuring 45 feet long by 8 feet wide, it offers amenities that will put even modern homes to shame. It comes equipped with the newest electronic gadgets, comfort features, and entertainment system to keep just about anybody happy on the road. The most notable features are, of course, the Robinson R22 mini helicopter and the retractable helipad on the deck. When in transit, the helicopter can be nicely concealed in the bedroom below. But that's not all. You also have 4K TVs, Bluetooth speakers, modern kitchen appliances, and a hot tub, among other things. VARIO Signature 1200. The VARIO Signature 1200 is one of the most standout vehicles in its class, and not only because it's the largest and one of the most expensive motorhomes on the market right now. Created by German company VARIO Mobile, this luxurious beauty is powered by a 523 horsepower 6-cylinder turbo engine, and it comes equipped with a unique hydraulic ramp where you can slide in or out your desirable car. It also features an insulated fiberglass cabin packed with numerous luxurious features, including a touchscreen controlled induction cooktop, 190-liter refrigerator, dishwasher, a full bathroom with mineral stone sink, not to mention the LED TV with satellite and Bose audio system. The RV's rear garage door has enough space for a Mini Cooper or a Porsche 911 because you wouldn't want to travel around the city streets in an RV anyway. Essentially, you have all you need to live in comfort and style, making the Signature experience one you need to have at least once in your lifetime. KLASSEN Mercedes V-Class Limousine. If you haven't heard of KLASSEN, you're probably doing something wrong. The German aftermarket supplier KLASSEN is responsible for some of the most plush vehicles on the planet. They specialize in the conversion of ultra-luxury vehicles into deluxe stretch limousines that cater to the demands of the most high-level clients. This includes making all the door and curtain functions fully automatic and granting the user full control over everything from mood lighting to side panel operation by means of a touch-operable iPad. If you don't feel like stressing your fingers, you can also make use of the voice command. Other interesting features include the side panels with their beautiful glossy carbon fiber finish, a flat screen monitor with built-in PlayStation 4, a multimedia system, automatic folding tables, coffee maker, massager, and drawers for champagne. So essentially, you can seat 4 passengers facing each other with 2 abreast and watch what transpires around you with the aid of front and rear cameras that can be displayed on the big screens. When you're tired of sitting, the seats have adjustable extensions for laying down, and there's a biometric safe for your valuables while you sleep. eleMMent Palazzo. Inspired by the world of motorsport and the decadent luxury of royalty, this vehicle has been crowned the most luxurious RV in the world. The body emphasizes a reliable and robust design across all the eleMMent series, while paying careful attention to the functionality that makes this vehicle so special. One of the main attractions of this vehicle is the panoramic windscreen that can be darkened in 2 tones using an adjustable system as protection from the sun, as well as the Sky Lounge, which is guaranteed to brighten up your day. This added accessory is meant strictly for the owner's personal panoramic views and lifts automatically up out of the body, creating a breathtaking walled-in roof deck effect. Cadillac Escalade Sky Captain Piano Edition. The Cadillac Escalade Sky Captain Piano Edition is Cadillac's response to the new wave of ultra-luxury vehicles with a technological twist. It boasts of a stunning black and white interior with gold hardware they're calling the Piano Edition. The vehicle's interior features executive airline-style tables with 24-karat gold trim, suede-lined walls, a Control-4 touchscreen management system, an electronic front privacy partition, and entertainment functions to spare. Other features specially included for user convenience include an atmospheric Sky Captain interior, a 48-inch Samsung curved TV, as well as a fax machine in a delightful mix of business and pleasure. Newmar King Aire. The 2020 King Aire is a luxurious, cutting-edge vehicle that redefines what it means to be on the road. It's an opulent vehicle with rich Ralph Lauren fabrics and flawless color palette that somehow manages to combine effortless style and functionality. It also has features like a lane departure warning system, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring, and available adaptive cruise control with collision mitigation technology, all to ensure that you stay safe as you travel in style. For the price of $1 million, you get access to a huge lounge, an adjacent kitchen, a dining area, and half bath for guests in the King Aire's forward section, as well as entertainment features like a 49-inch Sony 4K UHD with Blu-ray DVD player and a Bose Cinemate home theater system. In addition to all this, passengers also get access to a 50-inch by 34-inch shower with a panel that includes massage sprays and a foot wash. Talk about luxury. Cadillac Escalade Viceroy Edition. The Cadillac Escalade Viceroy is a king among vehicles. The most striking feature of this vehicle is undoubtedly the elongated body, which gives it a certain cachet that most vehicles simply can't aspire to. When you purchase the Cadillac Escalade Viceroy, you're essentially buying a mobile office furnished with the most luxurious and technologically advanced features that make your car ride some of the most convenient and pleasurable moments of your life. It has an absolutely staggering 48-inch Samsung 4K TV positioned on top of a specially made electronic partition, as well as the very best security cameras and monitors to make sure your privacy is uninterrupted. As part of Lexani's plan to ensure maximum user comfort and convenience, you also have folding metal tables as well as the option for armor plating.
Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, click the bell to get notified of my new videos. Thank you.